How to quickly delete all liked videos on YouTube. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can quickly delete all the liked videos on YouTube. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up YouTube application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your Google account. Once here, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then tap on the settings icon from the top right. Here, under account section, tap on manage all history. After that, navigate at the top of this page. There you will find interactions option, tap on it. After that, under video interactions, there is video likes and dislikes, tap on it. Scroll down a bit and here you will find all the videos that you have liked or disliked on your account. In order to delete it, all you have to do is tap on the cross icon next to that video and then tap on delete. And with that, you have deleted the liked videos on YouTube. So for each video, you have to repeat the same steps. Or if you want to quickly delete all, then you have to tap on this date here in order to delete both of this video. So simply tap on cross and then again confirm it. Now all the videos that you have liked in that specific date will get deleted. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.